Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Basecamp to Zapier integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Basecamp to Zapier integrations, begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you do not have an account, create one by visiting the Zapier website. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located at the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type Basecamp and select it from the drop-down menu. Choose a trigger event from the list presented, such as New To-Do or New Project. Click on the Continue button after selecting your desired trigger. Now, connect your Basecamp account by clicking on Sign into Basecamp. You will be prompted to enter your Basecamp credentials, including your email and password. Once authenticated, allow Zapier to access your Basecamp account by clicking Authorize. After connecting your account, you will be taken back to the Zapier interface. Customize your trigger settings by selecting the relevant options for your Basecamp project. Click Continue to test your trigger and ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the test is successful, proceed to the Action App section by clicking Add Action. In the Action App search bar, search for the app you wish to integrate. Select the app from the drop-down list and then choose the action event you want to perform. Click Continue and connect to the selected app by following similar authentication steps. Once connected, customize the action settings based on your preferences. Click Continue and perform a test to ensure that the action works as expected. After successful testing, click on Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Your Basecamp to Zapier integration is now set up and ready to utilize. Monitor the integration regularly to ensure smooth operation and make any necessary adjustments. Congratulations on successfully connecting Basecamp to Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.